Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to fold a jacket. You put this,
Yes.
you do it like this, and then you fold it like just the old ones, like your t-shirt or uniform.
Okay.
Fold it again, do it like that,
Yes.
good, fold it again.
Then
Make it like into a hot dog and cover it up using its.
oh, we learn again.
And then after that,
Yes.
if you follow in the window,
Yes.
put it outside. Make sure that you got something like this.
Okay, that's good.
So after 5 days, when the rain is going on,
What will you do?
if the rain is going on, imagine if there's a rain.
Yes.
You put it in the rain, middle of the rain.
Yes. Then
After the rain is finished, get your jacket and then do like this.
thank you for that.
That's how you do it.
Very thank you.